Okay, so in the last video, you learned the little step shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change, shuffle, ball change, step, step combination. Now we are going to take that combination, and in addition to alternating between one ball change and two ball changes, your ball changes are going to alternate between ball change and heel change. So you'll do step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, heel change, ball change, shuffle, heel change, shuffle, ball change, heel change, shuffle, ball change, step, step. It's a little tricky, but once you've got it, it's fun. What's weird is you're not alternating each set. And this is what people have problems with. You've got one ball change, two ball change, one ball change, two ball change. You are alternating ball change and heel change sort of on top of that. So every ball change is what you're alternating. Now we are going to take that same pattern, but instead of doing all ball changes, you are going to alternate between ball change and heel change. And what makes this really funky is you're alternating on all the ball changes, and sometimes there are two ball changes in a row and sometimes there's just one. So you got to kind of keep track of whether you did a ball change last or a heel change last. So starting with the step shuffle ball change, shuffle heel change ball change, shuffle heel change, shuffle ball change heel change, shuffle ball change, step step. Then you start on the left foot. Step shuffle ball change, shuffle heel change ball change, shuffle heel change, shuffle ball change heel change, shuffle ball change, step step. So putting that all together, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Step shuffle ball change, shuffle heel change, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step shuffle, ball change,